In this video, I'm going to show you how to teach division using hands-on models. This is really going to help your child understand how division works at a conceptual level so they can focus on understanding it instead of memorizing a series of steps. I'm going to show you both types of division so you'll know exactly how to teach it to your child. Let's get started. Let's take a look at our learning objectives. We're going to explore partitive division by taking the total number of items and splitting them into a known number of equal-sized groups to find out how many items per group. The second learning objective is to explore quotative division by taking the total number of items and using the number of items in an equal-sized group to find out how many groups can be created. The first method I'll be covering is called partitive division. This is when you know the total number of items and you also know the total number of equal-sized groups. What you want to find out is how many items per group. So let's look at a hands-on model. Here, our example is 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Now we're going to see partitive division in action. We'll first begin by taking a look at the total number of items which we have. We have 6. Next, we're going to divide those 6 items into 3 equal-sized groups. So I'm going to use my bowls to represent my 3 groups. This model is also called the fair share model. I'm going to take turns by placing one block at a time in each bowl until I've used up all the blocks. You will see that the answer is 2, and with context, we know it is 2 items per group. The second type of division is quotative division. This is when you know the total number of items, but you also know the number of items in one equal-sized group. That way you can figure out how many groups can be created from the total number of items. So let's take a look at a hands-on model. In the same example, 6 divided by 3, now let's take a look at quotative division. I have my total number of items, which is 6, but this time the number 3 represents the number of items in each group. So I'm going to count out how many groups I can make from my 6 blocks if 3 items make up one group. I've created one group and now I have another group. So the total number of groups that I can create from 6 items with 3 items in each group is a total of 2 groups. It's really important for your child to understand division conceptually, and a hands-on model is a great way to do that. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure to hit thumbs up and subscribe so you'll know when my next video is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.